Hello boys, welcome to the video. So last week was really good week and I'm gonna recap it in this video a little bit, and also I'm gonna talk about the next trades in my next week best pairs. So the last week pairs was this pair. So the first one was AUD CAD. As you guys can see, I didn't take this trade because I was looking here for my entry signal and I didn't got it, so I didn't take this trade. This was a short trade. I was want to go to the downside, so I didn't take this trade. This trade was really interesting trade. I was want to take this trade to the downside and I actually take it, and it come until here like maybe kind of 1:1, or yeah, more than 1:1, but I didn't close and I wait and it come here and I was think this trade will come here and it will reject this area. It reject one time, but in the second time it just broke to the upside, and from this area then we rejected. But when the price was here, I just closed the trade because it was Thursday. As you guys can see down, it was Thursday, and in Friday we don't have a lot of volume, but actually we just tap to this area, and as you guys can see, we just hit 1:2, but I didn't close this trade at 1:2. I just closed it at break even. So for that reason, this was a break even trade. GBP JPY, I was want to go to the downside from this area, but I didn't got my confluences and also my entry signal, so I didn't take this trade. This trade was very beautiful trade. I was give signal also in my free telegram in this for this trade. I take this trade and actually we won this trade. This was like 1:8.87, like kind of 1:3. This trade was, I was did one mistake here, but I'm not gonna say to you everything in this video about these trades, because in next video I will break down all these trades, which trades I was took. Just I did mistake here because I put my stop loss so tight. I was need to put my stop loss under these wicks. I just got wicked out, so for that reason I lost this trade, but still we are good. It was a good week. This trade I was looking to go to the upside, and this was like last week line. If you go to the last week videos, you will see this was the last week line. So we was come, I was looking for buys here, and as you guys can see here, we just reject this area and price just go to the upside. I didn't catch this trade also because I was in NZD JPY. So in this trade, same thing, just looking for break in retest, but we didn't got retest here. We got it here, but the market was closed. And also this trade I was also looking for short, and here we reject this area. So good. I missed a lot of trade this week, but all trades was so good. And as you guys can see, this was the last week line, and I was put it like this. I was looking for break, retest, and go to the downside, and it happened to the perfection, but didn't manage to take this trade because of reasons. I was just involved in NZD JPY, and also I was involved in these trades, so for that reason I didn't take these trades. So let's talk about the next week pair, which is my top pairs, and also you will trade with me in the same time. If you want, you can join my free telegram. There I'm giving signal and also free information. So let's go to the next week pair. Okay, so the next week pair I'm really excited about because it's really nice and very beautiful pairs. So the first one is AUD CAD. So AUD CAD, in the weekly chart frame we are clearly bearish from these 2 points, and also when we go to the this was the daily, the weekly is bearish, same like the daily. And also we are coming to this area of interest, which is the weekly and the daily area of interest, because we have more than 3 touches. If we go to the left side, there is a lot of touches. Also the 4 hour, we are bullish in the 4 hour, so the market is currently bullish. So here I will just look for my head and shoulder pattern entry signal. Same thing, so easy, so simple. This pair, this was the last week pair also, we was reject this area. Here was one of our weekly area of interest. So if we reject from this area, we are coming to the next area of interest. So the weekly is currently bearish, the daily is also bearish, and I will just look for the daily to come here, do some kind of like rejection candlestick, and I will look for my entry signal to go to the downside. The 4-hour, it's currently bearish, and we have this massive move, bearish engulfing candlestick. So just the price need to come here, and here I will look for head, left head, right shoulder break, retest of the neckline, and go to the downside. Euro USD. So this pair, the weekly is bullish, and we just create this massive rejection candlestick. The daily is bearish, and also we have this nice pattern, left head and the right shoulder. So I will just look for the retest of the neckline here, or I will just wait for the break of this structure point and then retest of this daily area of interest to go to the downside. This is also so simple and so easy trade. Euro JPY. So the weekly is currently bearish from these 2 points because we close above this area, so we become bullish. So the weekly is bullish, we come to the daily is also bullish, and we have this engulfing daily candlestick, which is indicating that the price is very bullish in this area. So I will just look for to the price come here in the weekly. It will create like kind of small wick. In this wick we will take our trade. This is very nice and beautiful trade. The 4-hour, it's also bullish. The 4-hour will come here. It will come here, it will create this pattern that I am always looking for, the break, the retest of the neckline, and we will go to the upside. So this is all euro pairs. NZD JPY, the weekly is bullish because we was creating lower low, lower high, lower low, and we just close above this structure point. So what will we expect from this market? That the next candle will create this wick until this area to go to the upside. This is the weekly in the daily area of interest. This is very strong area. The daily is also bullish, in the 4-hour is also bullish. So the 4-hour just didn't come here, as you guys can see, this didn't come here. We just reject from this area, but we are not inside in this area. So I will just I think that this price will come deeper to this area, and here then I will look for my shift of structure to go to the upside. This is also nice trade. This trade so the weekly, when it was here, it go to the downside. Here we also create big rejection candlestick, and I will just look I will just look in this market to go to the downside, because this is the price is really bullish. The daily is also bullish. Just I'm looking for the break in the retest of this 4-hour, the 4-hour area. This is also shoulder, head in the right shoulder. Just to we will break down of this 4-hour area of interest, and we will come retest it back and go to the downside. This is counter trend trade, not recommending to you guys, just but I will take it if it's like looking so good setup to me. This one, the GBP CHF, the weekly is bearish, and we create this rejection candlestick, which is really nice. The daily is also bearish. I will not look for this bullish engulfing candlestick, because this was the price was really volatile here. I will just see this price like it's just one move. We come, we reject this area, and we are going to the downside. But in the 4-hour we have this pattern, and we break and we retested back, and this was the move. So I don't know if the price come back here, I will interested in this trade, but I don't think that the price will come here. But still, it's in my watch list if the price come here. This was the last week trade I was need to take this trade, but I didn't this was not in my watch list, so for that reason I missed this trade. But still I will look for the price to come to this area, and we will go to the downside. GBP AUD, the weekly is bullish, the daily is bearish, and we close down of the structure point, and this is the daily area of interest. So just every price which is going to the downside, it need to create this pullback. So I will just expect from this market to come reject this area, and we will go to the downside. So simple, so easy trades, guys. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and also join my free Telegram. See you there. Bye.